Thank you for visiting Greenlite's weather stripping installation video. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to install your Greenlite foam weather strip tape on your doors or windows. Weather stripping is a simple solution that seals the air draft from windows or doors and helps retain the room temperature, whether cold or warm. So it helps save energy and reduce your energy bill. To install your Greenlite weather strip, you do not need any special tools or skills, just a pair of household scissors. Installation requires no more than 10 minutes. It's that simple. Let's get started. If you have an old or already existing weather strip on your door or window, make sure you remove it first. It's easy to remove with just a set of pliers. And when you're ready to begin, identify the space where you will install the new weather strip. Clean the area thoroughly where you want to install the weather strip so that there is no dust or dirt and the weather strip will stick well. Now, take the weather strip, remove the adhesive backing, and insert the strip in your door or window space, starting from the bottom. Starting from the bottom will ensure that the weather strip reaches the corners fully so that there is no uncovered space left or a gap for a draft to escape. The best method by which to apply the weather strip is to actually remove a tiny bit of the adhesive backing to start with and to place it down in its spot. Then to continually remove more and more of the adhesive backing as you go. Once you reach the top of the window or door frame and you notice that there is a little excess strip, just take your scissors and snip off that extra. Stick the strip to the very end of the door or window frame, and then you are done with side one. Now, repeat this procedure horizontally, starting with a slight overlap in the corner that you just finished. And after you're done with the horizontal side, continue on with sides 3 and 4 until all 4 sides of your window or door frame are covered. Now you're done. It's that easy. For windows, such as the variety shown here, you would apply the stripping to the top of the upper window sash and the bottom of the lower window sash. In general, you apply the weather strip tape as a gasket where one surface, whether the window or the door, butts up against and creates a seal with the weather strip taping. Thank you for checking out this video and installing your Greenlite weather stripping. This small change will help improve the energy efficiency of your home and help the environment. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at info@greenliteusa.com and like us on Facebook at facebook.com/greenliteusa. That's GREENLITE USA. Thanks.